Assistant Professor of Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology from CSA department. In this semester, I am going to explain about machine learning subject. Subject code is the A3CS32. Overview, course overview. This course will give the complete fundamentals and methods in a computational data analysis. This course will give the better classification, recognition, pattern recognition and visualization and latest methods in the deep learning. And this course will give the students better ideas and institution behind the latest machine learning techniques. Okay, course overview. Okay, and next one is the course objectives. Course objectives. This course course objectives better to understanding the pattern classification algorithm to classify the multivariate data, and second one is the better to understanding the genetic algorithm, and third one is the to gain the knowledge about Q-learning, and fourth one is the better to understanding the latest techniques in the machine learning. Okay, course objectives and syllabus. This syllabus have the 5 units. First unit is the introduction of machine learning. What we mean by introduction of machine learning? Before going to the subject, the prerequisites of the machine learning is the basic discrete mathematics methods using in the subject. Okay, introduction, computer, traditional programming language, computer, data and input. We'll get the output. This is the traditional programming language, and next one is the computer, data. This one is the output. We'll get the predictions on models. Okay. The formal definition of the machine learning is the computer is said to learn experience based on performance P. If it is performance on a task T based on performance with experience C. The machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. The applications of the machine learning, driverless car, and one more application is the voice recognition and face recognition. These are the applications in the machine learning. And next topic is the candidate find-a algorithm, find a specific algorithm. Here we are specifying the, suppose I am going to buy a vegetables in a market, tomatoes, beetroots and carrots is there, but I need only tomatoes. I am specifying only tomato vegetables. Okay, find a algorithm, find a specific. Okay, it is specific to find a specific, specifying the representing the file, and general is representing the question mark. Find a specific algorithm. In a find a specific algorithm, first initialize the hypothesis, and second one is the for each example, for each training example, and third one is for each attribute is the condition. In a find a algorithm, condition is the if the attribute value equal to the hypothesis value is equal, no need to update. If the hypothesis value is not equal to attribute value, just replace the question mark. This is the find a algorithm. Next to decision tree algorithm. In a decision tree algorithm, based on the gain, highest gain is the root remaining of the leaf nodes. The decision tree representation also in the first unit. And last one is the heuristic space. This is the first one, and second one is the neural networks and genetic algorithm. Neural networks representation and genetic algorithm representation, genetic algorithms and perceptrons. Single neuron get the information, get the data from the number of neurons. Okay, output is based on the examples. Okay, these are the concepts in the second unit. And coming to the third unit, Bayesian theorem and computational learning. In a Bayesian representation and Bayesian belief network. And one more topic is the optimal classifier and maximum likelihood and minimum discrete length. This concept also in the third unit. And coming to the fourth unit. Fourth unit is the instance-based learning. Instance-based learning. Based algorithm is the nearest neighbor algorithm. Instance-based learning is also known as a classification. Classification topics also introduced in the KNN algorithm. Nearest neighbor algorithm. K means number of instances. Okay, number of instances. And next one is the locally weighted regression. And the next one is the radial basis function, case based reasoning. These are the concepts in the fourth unit. And coming to the fifth unit, latest methods in the machine learning. Concepts are the sets, rules, the sequential covering algorithm, and one more concept is the sets and rules, FOCL algorithm, and one more concept is the reinforcement and Q learning. These are the topics in the fifth unit. Overall, these 5 units are the maximum topics are covered in a data mining. Maximum also in a data mining. Okay, the textbook author is the Tom Mitchell. Thank you everyone. Okay.